Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to get set up with your version of ClassyPress PRO in just under a few minutes. So let's begin. So first things first, you need to have your API credentials ready. And what you're going to have to do is go into your Classy account and click the API tab, and you're going to have to create an app. So we're going to assume this is already done and you have already done this. There's another video on our support channel that shows exactly how to do this. So once you have this, then we're good to go. So first things first, we have this beautiful 2017 WordPress theme set up. It is a vanilla install. There's nothing on it, no styling. It is plain Jane. So you're going to first need to install the plugin. So we're going to come over to plugins. Going to go to add new, and you're going to find your plugin. And so hopefully it's in your downloads folder, and you're going to click it right there, just the exact zip that you got once you purchased it, and click install now. Activate plugin. Sweet. ClassyPress PRO by Mittun has been successfully installed. So now you'll actually see it down here, and there's all kinds of good links right here. So we're going to go to General Settings, and now this is the master settings that control the overall styling. So I'm going to come into my client ID. Again, this information, you can click these links to figure out where they are. The client ID is accessible from that API tab. So I already have this copied and pasted in, and so I'm going to paste that in there. My client secret, I'm going to paste that here. And I'm going to paste this in here. And I'm going to go to Save Changes. So now my master settings are saved. And so now when I come in here to campaigns, there will be nothing. So I have to add my first campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into New Campaign. Now, if you pasted in your credentials correctly, when you click Select Campaign, you'll see all the things that were created in your Classy account. So you can see these are all the things that we created in our sandbox account. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to pick Campaign for Progress. And so I'm going to say Campaign for Progress. Now, please note, when you're adding this new campaign, you're just adding it into WordPress. You're not changing or manipulating any data on Classy itself. This is just pulling in the campaign data into your WordPress site. So this is just for internal use only, and it doesn't really matter what this name is. So I could say Campaign for Progress, Test for Video. And this is, again, just internal use only. And so there's a lot of settings, and so there's going to be multiple videos that actually explain these settings in detail. And so let's just stick with the original layout. I'll go over Maverick later. And this is just the default setting. So let's say display the campaign title. You can control the text. Display the progress bar. This is your thermometer. So we have style 1, style 2. I'm going to go with style 2 because I like it. We have some pre-built colors already set up for you, but you can change these with your color picker to match the branding guidelines of your website. And just to speed things up, I'm going to display the goal amount. That's the actual dollar amount that will show on Classy, and this matches that. The amount raised, this is the percentage number dollar amount, so whatever that equals out to be. And then you can actually display the percentage amount, which this is the percentage amount right there, or if style 1, it shows it right there. So I'm going to come down here, and we want to display the form because those are the actual buttons. And so now for the sake of this example, I'm just going to show you a quick inline short button because this is that famous charity water look that everybody seems to want. And so you have your monthly button and in the background, and you can adjust these settings as well. And so this is a lot of information, so let's just come down right down here and just copy this to the clipboard, and then let's publish this so you can see exactly how easy this really is. And so now I have that copied to my clipboard, And I'm going to come over to Pages. I like to open up new tabs and keep track of where I am. And let's just go to Add New. Now watch how simple this really is. ClassyPress example. So you just come in here, paste your shortcode, just like that, and then you go to Publish. Now this is the default free theme from WordPress, and now let's see what it looks like out of the box. No customizations, nothing. Look at this, beautiful. And now I can actually click once or monthly, and it will just push right through to my Classy page. Look at that, right there. It's already selected on monthly. Check this out. If I change this to 77, go to once, it automatically updates it to 77 once. And so right then and there, you can see how easy this really is. So let's say we want to see what style 2 or style 1 looks like. You can actually just come back in, just select style 1, click update, come back over here, just refresh this page once this loads, and you'll see this bar just updates instantly. How cool is that? Now this is something that is very exciting, and I'm going to give you a quick little sneak peek, and there'll be a whole other thing about it in another video. With all these other options, now we can just display the activity feed. So we can display donations only, and we can actually show the amount. Now if I click update, come back here, and if I refresh this page, you'll see the activity feed just comes right in beautifully. And I can actually load more, just like on Classy, and all of the information gets pulled right in. So as you can see, you can get up and running with ClassyPress in just a few minutes, get a beautiful campaign set up in no time. And that is what the plugin does in its shortest version. And I'll go over some other elements that you may want to know about, including all these other features that are seen here. And plus we can create leaderboards, event listings, and all kinds of other good stuff. So this is ClassyPress Pro, and we are so thankful that you guys purchased the plugin, and thank you for watching, and make sure to check out all of our other videos where we break down all of these things so you can save the time from clicking save and refresh, and you can just jump right to what you're trying to accomplish. I'm Shane Michael with Mittun Creative, and thank you for watching.